Happy March! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make this month's Teen Take-A-Make Kit. So our craft for March is a binary code keychain. You can pick up your kit at Columbus or Saluda Library and follow along with this video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what binary code is. It is what we use for computer coding, and we're going to make a 3-letter keychain with your initials or any 3-letter word you want to use. I use my name, Jen. So we are going to do that. I also wanted to let you know about our teen programs this month. So teen programs are for 6th to 12th graders only. We have Teen Scene this month on the 2nd and 3rd Thursdays. So on March 10th, we have it at Columbus Library. We are going to make doll head succulent planters. And on March 17th, we have it at Saluda Library, and we're going to make bubble tea. We'll also hang out and have snacks and play video games. And then on Wednesday, March 30th at Saluda Library, we have Tabletop Teens where we play board games. So there are 3 programs this month just for middle and high schoolers. And we also have some other programs you might be interested in as well. We have a Harry Potter party, which is today, Thursday, March 3rd at Saluda Library. We also have Greenville Zoo coming and bringing some animals later in the month. And another new thing for March is our Zoom Pass program. So you can visit our website and sign up for a free Zoom Pass to get free tickets to the Western North Carolina Nature Center or the North Carolina Arboretum. All right, so once you have your kit, stay tuned to this video and we're going to make our keychains. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make these binary code keychains. So for this project, we are using an encoding scheme called Extended Ascii. So this is a common way of interpreting binary numbers as letters of the alphabet. So Ascii is a table of characters for computers. It's a binary code used by electronic equipment to handle the text using the English alphabet, numbers, and other common symbols. It was created in the 1960s, and it is an abbreviation for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So I don't really understand much about coding, but if you are into computers, you probably know a lot more than I do. In your kit, you have a few things. You have a survey. So this is just a take-and-make survey. We are wanting to know how you're liking them, what kind of other take-and-make kits you might be interested in. So if you have a chance and you can fill that out and turn it back into the library next time you stop by, we would love that. You also have another piece of paper. So this is the binary alphabet. These are the capital letters used in the extended Ascii code that we are using for our keychains. You have 3 strips of black cord. So you can make up to 3 letters on your keychain. You have 2 different colors of beads. So in the binary code, binary means 2. So there are only 0s and 1s. So you're going to want to assign each color 0 or 1, and you might want to write it down. So I have decided that my 0s are going to be my white beads and my 1s are going to be my yellow beads. And then you also have a keychain, and then just to make it easier to hang on your backpack or wherever you want, you also have this clip that you can use. All right, so as you can see, I've already gotten started. So you can make up to 3 letters in binary code. You could do your initials if you wanted. You could do 2 or 3 initials. I am lucky and I have a 3-letter name. So I have already done the J and the E, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do the letters, and I'm going to finish it up with my N. So I already went and got my beads ready for the N. Once again, the 0 is the white and the 1 is the yellow for me. So I have 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 is the binary code for an N. After you make your first 2, make sure it's going in the order you want it to. So I have JE, and then I'm going to do the N. So to get the cord onto the keychain, you're going to do this kind of loop here. I forget what it is called. Sorry about that, but you're going to pull it tight so it stays secure on the keychain. And then you're going to find whatever letter you're doing and your own code that you've made to see what color represents the 0 and the 1. And then you're going to string your beads onto the cord. And so I think this project is cool because to some people this just looks like a simple beaded keychain, but if you know binary code, you know what it says. So it's kind of like, you know, a secret code, a secret language between people who know binary code. And since you have this, you are now one of those people, if you weren't already. Alright, so each letter in this binary code is made up of 8 numbers. So each of your letters will all be 8 beads long. After you string the 8 beads, you're going to tie off the rest of the cord. And if you have a pair of scissors handy, you can use that to cut down that extra cord. My scissors don't want to cooperate. Alright, so now I have my Jen keychain. I hope you guys enjoy this and that you learn something about coding, and it might interest you into learning more about that. Alright, have fun!